In the heart of the African forest lived a gentle giant named Elara, an elephant as large as a mountain. Elara was known for his kind heart and humble demeanor, but he was also renowned for his strength and wisdom. One day, a storm swept through the forest, uprooting trees and causing a great deal of chaos. Elara, fearing for the safety of the other animals, decided to help. He used his powerful trunk to move fallen trees, clear paths, and create shelters. The smaller animals watched in awe, grateful for Elara's help but fearful of his size. One young rabbit, named Remy, approached Elara, his eyes filled with curiosity. "Why are you so big, yet so kind?" he asked. Elara paused, considering the question. "Size does not define who I am," he said. "I was born this way, just as you were born small. But it is how we use our size that truly matters." Remy pondered his words, then asked, "But what good is your size if it scares the smaller animals?" Elara smiled gently. "My size can be overwhelming, but it is my responsibility to use it wisely. I am strong, but I also have a soft heart. I can be fierce when I need to protect, but I can also be gentle when needed." Remy nodded, understanding dawning in his eyes. "I see," he said. "I too can be small, but I can be brave and kind. I can use my size to my advantage, just like you." From that day on, Remy learned to embrace his size and use it to help others, just as Elara had done. And the forest flourished, filled with animals who learned that size was not a measure of one's worth, but a tool to be used wisely. And so, the moral of the story is this: no matter how big or small, we all have the power to make a difference in the world, if we use our abilities wisely and with kindness.